Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the Tidal Knotted Hammock in Heartopia. So in this Call of Wheels event, there is a battle pass that in here you can get many rewards, and one of them you can get this Tidal Knotted Hammock. And in here to get this recipe of this furniture, you just need to unlock level 50 on this battle pass. And if you want to leveling up, you can just collect the fashion wave points on here that you can collect from the weekly challenge of the catalog, and then you can collect it from the collections points like this, and then you can also get it from after completing the daily quest. And then after you reach level 50, you can unlock this recipe, and the recipe will be added to your workbench. So just go to your workbench and then just search for the recipe, this one, and then in here you need timber, bronze, and then fluorite and raw oyster material pack, and then adjust the amount and then just tap on craft, hold to continue, and just wait for a moment. And just like that, you will successfully making this Tidal Knotted Hammock. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!